If you gave your car keys to a stranger, when things go wrong, the worst thing that could happen is they wreck it and you lose the car altogether. If you gave them keys to your house, when things go wrong, they could accidentally burn it down. If you gave them access to your retirement accounts, well, actually, don't do that. But the point is, with more access comes the greater need to have the right guardrails. That's what I think about when I consider the level of access MCP has given to agents. They can access databases, email, code bases. Most of what agents can do now can be directly attributed to MCP acting as the capability layer. But what is potential without a plan? LaunchDarkly is the control layer that acts as the missing piece to ensuring agent behavior is properly managed as responsibility grows. Because what if before the car crashes, you could take control of the wheel? Or before the house burns down, you find the extinguisher? I know what I'm describing is at the tip of your tongue. Runtime control, exactly, correct, which allows you to maintain control of agent behavior and avert production issues without having to redeploy. And it's not just runtime control, it's also rollout safety for safety releases and observability for continuous monitoring and intervention. Starting with runtime control, that's what AI configs are built for. AI configs let you manage the model, the system prompt, and the set of tools your agent can reach as live configurations. So when your agent starts responding in ways you didn't intend, you can switch to a different model, rewrite the prompt, or revoke a tool's access in seconds. The behavior adapts in production the moment you make the change, and you can scope that update to specific users, segments, or environments, instead of just flipping it on for everyone all at once. So runtime control handles the fires, rollout safety keeps most of them from starting. Agent capabilities are essentially skills, and these new skills shouldn't go live to 100% of users on day one. They should ship the way any other high-stakes change should ship, gradually, watching the signal, and ready to pull back at any moment. LaunchDarkly watches the metrics you care about: error rates, latency, costs, quality scores, and if something trends the wrong way, it automatically rolls it back before it reaches the rest of your users. It's the difference between moving fast but not moving blind, which leads me to the next part. None of this matters if you can't see what your agent is doing in production. You need to know which tool is calling, how often and with what inputs, and whether it's succeeding, or if quality is drifting downward over time, or let's say a user segment is quietly getting worse responses than the rest. That's Vega, LaunchDarkly's AI-powered assistant that helps you to uncover what's happening within your system. And once you have that data, Vega helps you to correlate everything to tell the full story and come up with remediation steps before your user files a ticket. In summary, MCP gives your agent the ability to do real work. LaunchDarkly through AI configs, guarded rollouts, and Vega gives you the control to trust it with that work. This is where capability meets control.